So now we're going to look at some special cases of this constant growth model. Is it going to work if G is 0? In other words, dividends aren't growing, earnings aren't growing, and price is not growing. So we're letting G equal 0. The last dividend was $2, and the required return on that stock is 9%. So in that case, the dividend is just a perpetuity. It's not growing. It's $2 in the next period, the period after that, the period after, so on and so forth. It's not growing. So it's a perpetuity. We're going to value it like a perpetuity. Can we use this constant growth model if G is not positive? In other words, it's negative, which means that the dividend of that firm, the dividends, the earnings, the price are declining year after year after year. Can we use the model? Absolutely. It's still a constant growth. It's just that the growth is negative. So, using our $2 current dividend, our required return of 9%, our authors keep using the same problem, the same variables over and over again. Well, if the last dividend was $2, the next dividend is going to grow at a negative 4%. So the next dividend is going to be $1.92. Our Savess is 9%. We're going to subtract out the minus 4% growth rate. Minus a minus. We're going to add that together. It's 13%. And the current expected price of that stock with a negative 4% growth rate is $14.77. We find capital gains yield, dividend yield, and total return. So the dividend yield is 13%. The capital gains yield is minus 4%. And since the stock is experiencing this negative constant growth, dividend yield, capital gains yield are constant. Dividend yield is sufficiently large to offset negative capital gains. Here's another example that I've worked for you. It is problem 910 from our textbook.